Hey guys, how are you? Andy Sukhu, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. Today I'm here to speak to you guys about a very, very important topic. The topic is credit repair. So, we have all these companies on Instagram, social media. Everyone is popping up. I fix credit. I want to help 1,000 people fix their credit. I guarantee you 700 scores, 750 scores, whatever they guarantee. They're showing you Credit Karma credit reports, which we all know is not accurate. Everyone is fixing credit. Here's what came across my table. This actually happened 2 weeks ago. A client came to us, and I knew the answer already, by the way. Client came to us stating that they had their credit fixed by another company, and now they're being sued. So this is what I want to explain to you guys. There are a lot of companies claim they're fixing credit, mom and pop companies, or whatever you want to call them, claim they're fixing credit. And what they're doing is writing fraud affidavits, sending it to the credit bureau with an attempt to get the things off your credit report. Here's what they're not telling you. They send that fraud affidavit to the credit bureaus. Now the credit bureau is going to take the account off your credit report because it's fraud, right? But they send that fraud affidavit to the bank. Now the bank does the internal investigation, and Discover is notorious for this. Discover and American Express. They do the internal investigation and they deem the account is not fraud because those transactions that you did prior to you claiming the account was fraud. Right? So it's a paper trail. So my point of this video to you guys is if you're going to a company that claims they're going to fix your credit and you're not paying one dime, one penny of your debt, and they're just doing fraud affidavit. And by the way, when I pull your report, I will see the fraud affidavit. I see real-time data. I've said that multiple times in all our video. We see real-time data. If we see that fraud affidavit, we're going to tell you what's going to happen. Second thing you want to look out for is at the end of this year, 2020, if you did your credit by a different company and they did fraud affidavit, you will be receiving a lot of judgments. A lot of people will be receiving judgments, tax garnishments, and bank levies because statute of limitation is coming to an end for a lot of accounts on 2020. So before the statute of limitation comes to an end, they are going to go into the accounts and the debt's going to turn into a judgment renewable for 10 years. So just because, let me recap this for you. Just because you went to a company and they got all the accounts off your credit report by claiming it's fraud does not mean you're not responsible for the debt because the bank is entitled to their own investigation. And that's what's going to be happening this year, the end of the year. So be very wary if you go to a company to fix your credit and they're telling you, I get everything dismissed, you don't have to pay anything. I'm telling you guys, it's going to happen. It happened in 2019, the beginning. It's going to happen in the beginning of 2020. So be wary. If you have any questions, give us a call, 516-568-4541. If you're in that situation currently, give us a call. We can fix it for you. But just be wary what's going on and who you're investing your money in and who you're giving your social security number, your personal information to fix your credit. It can do more damage than good for you guys. Talk to you soon.